Auzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's introduce myself. I am Asi Martiasari, NEM 200600144 from Elementary School Education Department. I'm going to present about my article. The title is Increasing Understanding of Mathematical Concepts Using Problem-Based Learning or PBL models assisted by manipulative media for elementary school students. The research has published at Jurnal Profesi Pendidikan, GPP, IKIP Siliwangi, Volume 1, Number 1, June 2022. The researchers are Asi Martiasari, student at IKIP Siliwangi, and Jajang Bayuklana, lecturer, IKIP Siliwangi. The purpose of this research was conducted to determine implementation of learning maths, student response, and increasing understanding of mathematical concepts using PBL models assisted by manipulative media for elementary school students. I've divided my presentation into 4 parts. They are: number 1, background research. Number 2, methodology. Number 3, result research. And number 4, conclusion. I will begin by explaining background of the research. Learning mathematics is the formation of a mindset. When children learning mathematics, they can be trained to develop critical, logical, creative, and systematic ways of thinking and help develop their personality and a reasoning power. Understanding concept mathematics is an important basic because children need it for solving mathematical problems and many problems in everyday life. Elementary school children are generally in the concrete operational phase, so they need tools such as manipulative media to understand lesson math. Another solution for students can understand the concept of learning mathematics is by designing appropriate learning. The model is a problem-based learning or PBL. The problem-based learning models present students with an authentic and meaningful and provides value in conducting investigation. After examining the background of research, let's turn to methodology. The research used qualitative methods. The method used to describe exciting phenomena, both natural and human engineered, which pay more attention to characteristic, quality, and interrelationship between activities. The sample in this research were children in grade 5 at Cendekia Muda Islamic Elementary School. The learning methods were an online or daring method. The data obtained are read, analyzed, processed, and construed to produce conclusions. Let's now take a look at result research. This is a manipulative media for concept of spatial net. The implementation of understanding the concept of spatial nets using manipulative media with problem-based learning or PBL model resulted in a good category. Problem-based learning or PBL model can develop student critical and creative thinking. The main characteristic of PBL model, such as submission of problem, linkage with other disciplines, authentic investigation, and exhibiting work. Student response to understanding the concept of spatial nets are positive. This is evidenced by 3 indicators. 77.81% student interest in learning mathematics with daring method. 77.67% learning the concept of spatial net using manipulative media with a problem-based learning PBL model. And 76.86% learning the concept of spatial net using manipulative media with a problem-based learning or PBL model to improve understanding of mathematical concepts. Understanding mathematical concepts must be mastered by students because it is useful in application in everyday life. The indicators are: number 1, specific object based on whether or not the requirements that make up the concept are fulfilled are 82.5%. Identify the properties of the concept are 91.6%. Number 3, apply concept logically are 90%. Number 4, give an example of the concept being studied are 87.5%. And number 5, presenting concept in various forms of mathematical representation are 90%. I'd like to make a conclusion that the implementation of learning results in a good category. The student response to understanding the concept of spatial nets using manipulative media with problem-based learning model is positive at 77.45%. Understanding mathematical concept of spatial nets using manipulative media with problem-based learning model increased an average 89.0. What I like to suggest that the solution in daring or online methods for children can understand the concept of spatial net using manipulative media with problem-based learning or PBL model is appropriate. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. Wabillahi taufiq hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.